Good day, class. I am Mark Spindler, instructor for the KWEST warehousing program at Solomon College, and today we are going to discuss some basic Excel skills. So we will discuss data entry, navigating cells, drop-down menus, and adjusting column size. So let's get into our Excel warehouse. All right, we're here inside of the Excel spreadsheet, and the first thing I am going to do is show you how to enter information. So on this page, we have a list of users that we want to enter in and a list of shifts that each person is working. So to enter information, click on the cell and type the name of the employee. Okay, you can press enter to go to the next cell and type in the next name, press enter. You can either press enter to go to the next cell that is down or just click on the next cell. So let's click on the third name and enter that. So we have 3 employees, Mark, James, and Stephanie. Mark works the morning shift, okay? James works the afternoon shift and Stephanie works the night shift. So I just click on the cell and type, click and type. It's as simple as that. Now, if I make a mistake, this is different than Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, you click on the spot and you can also click the arrow to navigate between the letters. In this circumstance, in Excel, you need to double click on the cell and then you can use the arrows and then press enter, or you can click on the cell and then click on that the box at the top there, and you could enter your information there. So here I misspelled afternoon, so I can double click on that cell. I can use my arrows to go to the right place, afternoon, okay, and then I can press enter. I also misspelled night, so I can double click there. I can also click up here and then spell that correctly. All right, there you go. So the next thing I want to show you how to do is how to delete cells. So usually you would think that you could select an area, just like in Word, and just press backspace and it deletes everything. Well, if I press backspace, it's only going to delete that first cell. So that's not what I wanted. I wanted to delete all of the cells. So what you should do is highlight all of the cells and click the delete button. So there you go, and that's how you delete cells. Okay, on to number 2, on to navigation. So I have created a obstacle course here where we can practice moving throughout the Excel sheet without using our mouse. What if I only have the arrow keys and the shift and tab keys? How do I navigate? Okay, well, it's very simple. If you want to go right, you use the tab key. Okay, if you want to go down, you press the enter key. And then if you want to go left, you press shift tab. And then if you want to go up, you press shift enter. Okay, so I am going to do a figure 8 around these green squares just to show you. So enter to go down, tab to go left, shift enter to go up, tab to go right, enter to go down, shift tab left, wait, and then there we go. Okay, so this is what you should be doing. You should be practicing navigating and seeing if you can if you can move around with ease. Okay, so that will make things easier for you. All right, okay, on to the next task. All right, so let's go to our warehouse inventory page. Let's move on to the receiving section of the page. And if you look at this a table here, you can't see all of the text in the table. So how do we fix that? Well, there are a few ways to adjust the column width. The first way is to click on where you see the letters. You just go in between the two letters where you see a line with two arrows, and you click and drag that. Okay, so you can drag that out and make it all fit. Another way to do that is to go in between the two letters, and then so until you see that line with two arrows, and then you double click, and then everything will fit. Another thing that you could do that would speed up the process is to select multiple cells and then double click. Make sure go in between two letters and double click. And now if you look, all of the text fits within within those cells, and now it's very easy for me to read. If I wanted to, I could shorten it a little bit, but there you go. So that's how to adjust the column width. All right, and the last thing that we are going to do is that we are going to make a list of locations for all of the products in our warehouse. So here on this page called locations, I have made a list of about 9 items here. All right, and I want to know where all of the products are within my warehouse. So here I have the location, and I want to be able to select and choose where everything is. So the first thing you do is you highlight the cells where you want to have drop-down menus. The next thing that we'll do is we go to Data, and then we click on Data Validation. We select List, and then we click Source. And then at this point, we go to Locations, and we highlight all of those cells, and then we click OK. All right, so let's say I have just received my Crayola markers and I want to indicate that those Crayola markers are in the receiving department or section or zone of my warehouse. So I would select in the same row and then choose that location. Let's go to our CRY205s. Let's say I have moved all 67 of them to this location 01A01. Okay, I click on the drop down menu and then I select it. Okay, I could do the same thing for this one and so on. So now I am able to track where all of my products are, and I have an easy drop down menu to tell me where it is. Okay, so that is it for Excel. And so if you are a newcomer to Canada, you live in Edmonton, and you are interested in any of our amazing free programs, give us a call or email us. We offer food service, connections to employment, or the KWEST warehousing program. And I will display our information here. So our email is info@solomoncollege.ca. And you can give us a call, leave a message at 780-431-1515. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.